Hello, beach friends. I know my videos are normally beach walks and involve finding goodies on the beach, but I recently made a video on how to bleach and seal sand dollars. In the comments of that video, someone recommended using hydrogen peroxide, and I had heard this before and I wanted to try it out. So I went to Marco Island to find myself some sand dollars. Today we're going to see how hydrogen peroxide works on whitening sand dollars. So those of you who saw my recent Marco Island beach walk, there's a little link in the upper corner there if you'd like to see where I got most of these sand dollars. You now know why I was in the hunt for these beauties. I'm not going to be making anything with these today, but I am going to show you another method you can use to clean these guys other than bleach. Now, most of these ones you see that are discolored with the green, those are the ones that I had recently picked up from Marco. And then I did have a couple there on the right. They're a little bit whiter. I had those laying around and I figured just for comparison, I'm gonna go ahead and soak those two, so we can kind of compare and see what happens when you soak these guys in the hydrogen peroxide. So I just found a regular old plastic container, put my treasures in there, and then I used drugstore strength hydrogen peroxide. I bought this at Walmart, and you can get this wherever you find your regular household goods. Again, just regular old strength, goes right from the bottle right over the sand dollars, and I just made sure that all of them were completely covered and let them soak. Now, my understanding is you can let these soak for quite a while, and 24 hours later, I really just wanted to take a peek. I am going to let them continue to soak, but I was curious, so I wanted to go and just kind of look at the progress, and they all look great. All that green is gone, and I'm also able to put my hands in there. I don't do that with the bleach water mix because I just don't want to get bleach all over the place. So that's one of the many benefits of using hydrogen peroxide instead of using the bleach water mixture. All right, at this point, the sand dollars have been soaking in that straight hydrogen peroxide mixture for about 2 days. And at this point, I'm going to take them out and let them dry. I think they look terrific, and I'm really happy that I tried this method. The bleach can weaken the sand dollar. The bleach can obviously get on your clothes. It's kind of a mess. It's a little stinky. I'm thrilled at the results I got from the hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to let these guys sit and dry out real well, and that is the final result. I have definitely found a new method. I am very happy to share this with you. Everything that I kind of picking up along the way and then I'm learning, I'm pushing right out to you guys because I want to make sure that I'm not holding anything back. If I know it, you guys know it. I'm going to share. So big thumbs up on the hydrogen peroxide. This is definitely the method that I will be using moving forward. At this point, I'm going to let them completely dry. Make sure that they're totally dry before I seal them with that 1-to-1 glue mixture. And that one sand dollar is just so pretty. I'm still going to use bleach on my green shells, but for my sand dollars, I have found a new method. So I want to give a special shout out to those who recommended that I use the hydrogen peroxide so I can share it with you guys, just show you what happens. And a special thank you to my Patreons. You guys rock. Well, let me know what you think. I do read every single comment you leave me. As a matter of fact, I learned about this hydrogen peroxide method from comments from a different video. So if you have any other tricks and tips, just leave me a comment because I love experimenting. I love seeing what happens with things, and I'll be happy to make a video about it and show you what happens. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something, and I'll see you again on Sunday.